Hey friends, I wanted to play with Play-Doh today and try to make some rainforest animals. So the first animal I want to make is my favorite animal in the whole rainforest. It's a capybara! So capybaras are like giant guinea pigs, really fat guinea pigs. And I just think they're really cute. So we're gonna try to make one. So I'm gonna start with their big round body, kind of like a barrel. Like that. That looks good. We might add some more fat onto it later. And let's make their big head. Add a little more onto that. Something that's really cool about capybaras are that they're semi-aquatic mammals. So they spend a lot of their time in water and they can hold their breath underwater for 5 minutes. How cool is that? 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try this. Y'all know how I am at Play-Doh sculpture, so this isn't gonna look very realistic, but we're gonna have fun doing it. Oh look, he's fallen over already. Gonna make some legs. I'm gonna make his legs fat so that he doesn't fall over as easily. Short, fat legs. Okay. There. And when I say capybaras can get really, really big, they like 150 pounds is how much they can weigh. That's crazy. That's like a human. Sometimes they're even bigger than that. You can see them at the zoo here in Pittsburgh. They just got some not too long ago. Okay. There we go. There's my little capybara. I'm going to put some cute little ears on it. Make some ears. Awesome. There we go. There he is. Do you guys think it looks like a real capybara? Thanks, guys.